Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Geri Del Vento and I am so glad you're tuning into today's video. As you can see, we are in my office. I decided to do something a little different today and just kind of more of a sit down, let's talk and learn about a few inexpensive ways you can make your home look expensive. Let's start with the first one, updating your hardware. What do I mean about hardware? Kitchen, bathrooms. So think of sink faucets, think of like the handles for your cabinets in your kitchen, think shower head, any fixture in your bathroom or kitchen that you can change. You can find some really inexpensive items on Amazon, even Wayfair, Overstock, any of these websites. So that's a number one way I think that you can make, especially a kitchen or a bathroom, which is a small space, feel a little bit nicer. Next up, molding. Add molding to your home. So what do I mean about molding? Crown molding, baseboards, and even the molding that we've seen kind of this past few years be a little bit trendy. Those moldings that you put in the center of the wall so you can kind of do a frame. You can give your plain, boring white wall or any color that you actually have in your home like some feel and an updated look when you add molding. Especially if you have a very long wall. A lot of people do this in their dining room area where they add molding, they add these like squares, or the bedroom area against, where like the backdrop to the bed, they add molding. If you've seen that, you've probably seen it. But adding molding can really give your boring wall an updated and fresh look, and it makes it look expensive. If your home doesn't have baseboards, or if your office space doesn't have baseboards, get some nice sleek baseboard. It will update the look of your home. And crown moldings too on the top of the actual room. Do some crown moldings as kind of like the in between the ceiling and the wall. Opt for big scale art. Make a statement in that room with a big statement piece. So how do you do that? Just let's say you have a couch, above the couch, behind the couch, put a nice big statement art piece. Say no to clutter. Spring cleanings, I do those twice a year. So go through your home. We think that spring cleaning is just for closets. No, it's also for things in your home. Try for spaces to have more negative space. Negative space is a place where your eye takes a rest. Anything, any tabletop, try to say no to clutter. Less is more. Accent walls. That's another way to make your home look expensive. I think accent walls are fun. I did one in my house. So as soon as you walk into my house to the left, I added a nice wallpaper. And you can do that with paint, you can do it with wallpaper, you can do it with molding like we just talked about, but create an accent wall. It gives it life, it spices it up, it brings some shine to the space. So I highly recommend accent walls, and I am a big believer of wallpaper and I absolutely love it. Layered lighting, huge one. I have recessed lighting in my house, for example, but I also have pendant. So that's what I mean. So recessed lighting is one way to definitely make your home look more expensive, but then take it a step further. Do layered lighting. So have your recessed lighting, but then on top of your dining table, have a pendant. On top of your bed, have a pendant. That's what I mean about layered lighting. Right. Another way that you can make your home look expensive is updating your window treatments. An inexpensive and easy way is buying a curtain rod and getting some nice linen sheer curtains. It will add so much more texture to the space. It will warm it up. Another way is actually, these are a little bit more expensive, but actual shades, those modern shades, those zebra ones, the rattan looking ones, that's a little bit more expensive, but that will definitely update and bring value to the house. Rooms, I would opt for more of a blackout shade. For more like communal spaces like your living room, your dining room, I would opt for a more sheer look so then light can shine through. Right, another way to make your home look expensive in an inexpensive way is update your front porch. Go monochrome with your exteriors. So what do I mean? I always love a black and white house. You probably do too. It calls attention, the monochrome feel of just two colors, black and white, or maybe it could be black and gray. Whatever colors you choose, try to stick to it and be consistent. If the house is white, paint the door black, a solid color that's different from the rest of the house. Update the numbers on the outside of the house. Make that the same color as the door. Just pay attention to your outside. Your landscaping, keep it clean, keep it minimal. I try to stay away from plants that are high maintenance, and I try to stick to the same 2 to 3 plants. I don't have a variety of plants. I try to stick to modern plants, and I actually have a video about this. Try to stick to a few plants. Don't do too many. Don't do a large variety. Stick to 2 or 3 plants and group them together, and it's going to make this front porch a lot more elegant, and it just kind of pulls everything together. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Try to make it short, but still a little bit more descriptive. I have a few of these videos on my Instagram, so you can check them out as well there. Let me know in the comments what you liked. What are you wanting to update in your home that probably you heard here and it made sense for you? Would love to read it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.